To bring.
Bring, brought, brought.
Bring means take or go with somebody or something to a place.
This woman often brings things to his flat. She has brought many things this month. She brought a few handbags 2 weeks ago.
She handed them over to him and left.
She brought a vacuum cleaner last week and told him where to put the things she brings. 5 days ago she brought a steam iron, then got an ironing board she had brought.
Yesterday morning she brought a mixer. She brought it so that he can blend food.
She came back an hour later and this time she brought a duvet to put on his bed.
A few minutes after she brought a few jackets.
She also brought coat hangers on the jackets. She did not stop bringing things all day and brought lots of shoes just after lunch.
She came back and brought a sofa.
He gave her a hand to carry what she'd brought. She brought something to hang on a wall.
She also brought a chair to sit on.
She brought a very large lamp.
She struggled to get it through the door.
The last thing she brought was a mirror and said that she will bring a surprise next time. She came empty-handed and brought nothing.
I've brought myself.
She said,
I live here now.